Hi everyone. So the exam time is there and we have also starting getting lot of messages out of anxiety, out of apprehension. We all know that COVID cases are increasing a lot and we have got lot of messages from the student that what will happen to the exam date. As of now, the exam date is 18th April 2021 and I think innumerable number of messages I have got, and I'm sure Dr. Nachiket you also must have got lot of messages that sir whether the exam will be postponed or not. तो क्या बोलते हो, what should I say them? Is it getting postponed?
Sir, I think as usual that you have been the guiding force for a lot of people, and you have been giving them, I think, information that nobody had in nobody had in the whole what I would say with the whole country did not know what you knew. So what you told them has already benefited them a lot. But I do feel that the exam is still going to be at the same date, and the people who are actually getting panicky whether the exam is getting delayed or not, guys, we are just having a discussion. The exam is going to take place at the same date, and the best thing that you can do is stop worrying about the exam date and focus on your studies.
Yeah, I mean there is no information about exam being delayed. So exam is gonna be there on 18th April. Yes, cases are increasing. It's a cause of concern. The guidelines of the COVID appropriate behavior might become slightly more strict, but the exam is gonna be on this particular date. Okay, so do not believe on any of the rumor that you come across. Do not worry about it. If there will be any update before you will ask us, I can tell you that we will tell you. Okay, so I mean it will not happen that you are asking me the question. Before that it will be made available to you. If there is a clear information that will be made available, we will be the first one to tell you. So don't worry about it. Focus on the studies. Only 30 days are left. Now you can say only 30 days, or you can also say you still have 30 days. The choice is yours, but please focus on the studies. There should not be anything else that is important for you in the life for the next 30 days. Our students have worked very hard and we are hoping a great result. I am sure that in the same studio we will be sitting. Some of you will be sitting with me, some of you will be sitting with Dr. Nachiket. We are waiting for all of you, but please do not spoil your preparation. And this year we have spoken a lot. We have decided that we will not just interview top 100 student, rather we will be interviewing everybody who wants to come here, irrespective of the rank, provided you are satisfied with your rank. Even if it is 5,000, even it is 10,000, 15,000, if you are satisfied, if you think that the DBMCI has played a role in your preparation, we would be happy to have you here in the studio to talk about your preparation so that you can guide your juniors about how to get the rank that they are looking for. So don't believe on the rumors. Please keep studying and I am sure you'll come out with flying colors.
And before we actually end the session, see, the only thing is nobody here is a magician or nobody here is a soothsayer. Whatever we are telling, it's because we keep talking to people and we try to gather as much as information as possible for our students. But the date, it is changed or not, it all depends upon the government of India. And whatever it is for both of us. I mean, it is for everybody who is giving that examination. So please, that variable is not in your hands or our hands. So stop worrying about that, because it is actually affecting a lot of students' performances. They are just worrying about the date and they are wasting precious time while doing that kind of worry. So focus on your exam, focus on your studies, and just assume that okay, the exam is on 18th of April and I am preparing like that. Leave the rest in the hand of the God. So that's what we have done. I'm giving you the advice that you should also do that. Focus and try to do best. That's it from my side.
Yeah, take care and all the best.
Great. Bye bye. Take care.